Find the values of the following expression. For each pair, first try to guess whether they have the same value. When are the two expressions equal? When are the two expressions equal? Okay, I didn't understand the last part. But yeah, first part you guys can guess. As in, you can pause and guess if these two are equal or not equal. 1 and 2. So my guess is, again, this should be a guess. Just looking at the numbers, that's it. Don't do any math. Just looking at the sign, getting a feel. They are the same. That's my guess. So let's look at the solution. So we'll consider 6 plus 10 minus 2. Now, first is as per the board mass. We have to do the brackets, whatever is there inside the brackets. What do we have inside the brackets? We have 6 plus 10. So we'll write 16. And the bracket is dealt with, and we have minus 2. And this will be 14. Okay. Next, let's consider 6 plus 10 minus 2. Let's open the brackets. So this will be 6. Since we have plus, it's telling not to change anything. Just copy whatever is there. Just copy it. And so we have 16 minus 2. And then we have 14 as the answer. When are the two expressions equal? So they are equal as of now, right? Okay, next question. Again, pause and guess. Just take a guess. So I feel they look to be equal. I'll go with an S. And now we are solving it. So this is the answer. Okay, so we'll consider. So we should always do part by part. So this is telling to change. So we'll end up with 16 minus 8 plus 3. That is additive inverse of 8 is minus 3. Additive inverse of 8 is minus 8. And minus 3 is additive inverse is plus 3. And now as per the board mass, I'll continue. So this is 8. And we have plus 3 left. And on simplifying this, I'll get 11. And now I'll consider 16 minus 8 minus 3. In this case, I'll solve the brackets first. So 16 minus 8 is 8. Then we have minus 3 left. This is 5. And my guess was wrong. So what would have made this 2 equal if minus 3 was plus 3? Right? So the expressions would have been equal if the second expression was, for example, so this is 16 minus 8 plus 3. Okay, I think that's one of the possibilities. Even the first one, we could have had the same answer if instead of negative, if we had a positive sign. There are two possibilities. Right, guys? Even the first one we can handle. You could have changed things in the first also to get the same answer. Okay, finally, I think this is the final question. Please pause and try it. Okay, as a guess, what do you guys think? This, I think it's S. Last one I was a bit confused. I think this one I'll get an S. like we'll consider first 27 minus of 18 plus 4. And you know what does minus tell? To change things inside, that is take the additive inverse. So 18 will become minus 18, 4 will become minus 4. And now as per the board mass going from left to right, I need to solve this. So this will be 9, right? Minus 4 is still left. And this is 5. I think I have a strong feeling that we'll get the same answer, guys. Let's see. 27 plus of minus 18 minus 4. So the positive sign tells us not to do anything. So no change. And so this is 27 minus 18 minus 4. And this would be 9 minus 4, which is 5. Okay, that's the last question. Right, guys. So yeah. Let me write the second possibility also, since I didn't have anything to write over there. Second possibility. Change 12, or sorry, in this case 16 minus 8 minus 3 to 16 plus of 8 minus 3. There are many possibilities actually. This is another possibility. So if I do that, I'll end up with, oh no, I will not end up with that. So I want 5, right? So, if I add, okay, yeah. If I do this, I'll end up with 5. Yes. If I do that, 8 plus 3 is 11. 16 minus 11 is 5. Yes, correct. Perfect. Okay, so this is how there are many possibilities. It's fun thinking of all the possibilities, or at least few more possibilities. Please try doing that. Check with your friends what else they got.